Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good evening. Today I will teach about subtopic chapter 3 in engineering science course, that is moment. Our learning objective is number 1, to define moment. Number 2, to identify the rotation of moment. And number 3, to calculate the moment, that is mnet. What is moment? When a force causes an object to turn, this turning effect is called moments. When a force acting perpendicularly with the distance, it may cause the rotational motion. This turning effect is called as moment. When force is applied at the right of the seesaw, it may cause the rotation is clockwise and the sign is positive. When a force is applied at the left of the seesaw, the rotation is anti-clockwise, negative sign. And the formula of moment is force times distance, SI unit in Newton meter. The formula moment is force times distance, SI unit is in Newton meter. There are two types that affect the moment, that is force and distance. When the rotation is clockwise, we assume as sign positive, and anti-clockwise, we assume as negative sign. So the formula is mnet equals to moment clockwise minus with moment anti-clockwise. For moment in equilibrium, it means that the seesaw is in static. So the formula is total mnet equals to 0 or total moment anti-clockwise equals to total moment clockwise. Exercise 1. What is the moment of this force? See the diagram below. 150 Newton and the distance is 4 meter from the pivot point. The answer is moment equals to force times distance equals to force is 150 Newton times with distance is 4 meter equals to 600 Newton meter and the rotation is clockwise. From the answer, 600 Newton meter and the rotation is clockwise, so the seesaw is rotate clockwise. Correct. Exercise 2. The diagram shows 40 Newton is applied at the left and 20 Newton is applied at the right. So the question is, the seesaw below is balanced. Find the distance. Step 1. Identify the rotation of force, either it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. When force is applied 20 Newton at the right, the rotation is clockwise. Sign is positive. And 40 Newton at the left, the rotation is anti-clockwise. The rotation 20 Newton is clockwise and 40 Newton is anti-clockwise. Step 2. Calculate the moment and give the direction. As we know, total balance is mnet equals to 0. Total moment clockwise minus total moment anti-clockwise equals to 0. 20 times r minus 40 times 3 equals to 0. 20 times r minus 120 equals to 0. So the answer of the distance is 6 meter. Exercise 3. The diagram shows 20 Newton is applied downwards, 10 Newton upwards, and a cat is sitting on a seesaw. And a question is, a Siamese cat with a mass 3 kg was sitting 3 meters from the pivot point. What is the moment of this force? A cat is sitting at the left, so the force is downwards. Weight equals to mg. Step 1. Identify the rotation of force. 20 Newton is clockwise. 10 Newton is anti-clockwise. And a cat is anti-clockwise. So 20 Newton is positive sign, 10 Newton negative sign, and a cat is negative sign. Step 2. Calculate the total moment and give the direction. Total m net equals to moment clockwise minus moment anti-clockwise equals to 20 times 5 minus 10 times 1 minus with 3 times 10 times 3 equals to 100 minus 10 minus 90. So the answer is 0 Newton. Surprisingly, the seesaw is in balance. I hope you understand the basic subtopic about moment. Thanks for watching. Till we meet again. Thank you and terima kasih.